Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to publish and unpublish videos with Pollo AI. Just all you have to do is follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. Alright, and so the first step here, once we open Google, my favorite browser, I'm going to search for Pollo AI, as you can see over here. The first one is sponsored, so there's no need to open it. I'm going to open this one here, which is the official website. I'm going to click on it. And so once you click on it, you just need to create a new account or sign in with an account up to the right corner over here. In my case, I already have an account, so there's no need to create a new one. I'm just gonna put the mouse over here, hover on it, and then I'm gonna choose my creations, which is the second option. I'm gonna click on it, right? And so from here we have videos, we have images, and so on. In my case, I just click on all since my video is already published. And then from here we have the option which is public or publish and unpublish. You can click on it, but since this is a feature, it says this feature is unavailable with your current plan. To access it, we recommend upgrading your plan into monthly or yearly using the Pro or the Lite. So you just need to pay to publish or unpublish these videos with a new subscription. Also, you can just click over here and choose download, and then you can publish this video and then the platform might click on download with watermark. I suppose it's going to be free, and once I click on it, yep, it is, it's free for 100%. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.